welcome you watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The official art of closing the anniversary of the Salesian presences in Baracaldo, Salesianos Baracaldo 125 years, Salesianos Cruces 80 and Salesianas Baracaldo 75 became a moment to give thanks for the path travelled and to dream of a future together among educational entities, schools and institutions. The Salesianos Cruces school joyfully hosted the ceremony, which was prepared down to the smallest detail with careful and timely moments for speeches and fine musical performances. Present in the centre's main hall were members of the Salesian communities of the three works, the Salesian family of Baracaldo and the Spain, St. James the Greater SSM province, some Salesians linked to the works of Baracaldo, and the full SSM Provincial Council, which accompanied the central guests of the event, namely the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime. On the 17th of January, the provincial coordinators of the schools of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Europe met, convened by Father Miguel Angel Garcia Murquende, General Councillor for the Youth Ministry, and Antonio Rodriguez Lopez, Coordinator of the Salesian School Commission Europe SDB Coordination. The meeting began with an invitation to network, to share values and efforts in the world of innovation and have a rigorous view of what real learning entails for each student in the classroom on a daily basis. The Salesian school, they underscored, is not only committed to improving academic performance and educational pastoral depth, but it turns mirrors into windows. That is, it helps young people to know and form themselves so as to open up to the future. You young people are helping us to be who we are. In this way, the Rector Major of the Salesians, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, addressed the approximately 250 young animators of the youth centers of the northern area of the Spain St. James the Greater SSM province, who met him at the Nuestra Señora de Begoña School of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians on Saturday morning, the January 21st. In his address, the Rector Major put young people back at the center as the protagonists of Salesian works. In front of about 200 educators from Salesian schools and social platforms, the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, emphasized that we do not have the right to lose hope even if there are difficulties in education due to the social or family context in which young people live. The 10th successor of Don Bosco began his visit to Baracaldo in this way on Friday, January 20th, to close the anniversaries of three Salesian houses. The first one is the 125th anniversary of the San Paulino de Nola Center, better known as the Salesianos Baracaldo. The second one is the 80th anniversary of the San Juan Bosco work, better known in town as the Salesianos Cruces. And the third one is the 75th anniversary of Our Lady of Begoña House of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, simply called as the Salesianas Baracaldo by everyone. Since last January 7th, 10 young people from the Francis de Sales missionary community of the El Patrocinio de San Jose have been strengthening the evangelizing community of Mary Help of Christians parish in Linares by accompanying 25 students in their service at the chapels of St. Anthony Don Bosco and San Victor, located in the municipalities of San Antonio Lama and San Victor Alamo. The day begins in the morning, walking through the territory, visiting families in their homes and sharing the Word of God, and then continues with lunch at the chapels or with selected families. In the afternoon, the children from the three territories go to the spaces set up for various activities and snacks prepared by the employees of the Salesian Institute of Linares. After taking the children back to their localities, the participants go to the Eucharist in one of the communities together with the director of the work and pastoral coordinator, finally returning to the boarding school where they have dinner, rest and assess their strength. The young missionaries from Linares return to their homes, and the next day begins at the school gates, a new day of mission in the service of Jesus. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.